What up, YouTube? It's your boy Kelvin J, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I lace my forces.
Hey, you know when you just want to dream big, you can't let nobody hold you down, man. Don't let nobody stop you from what you
I got my little 2-inch dog ears, 2-3 inches, whatever. 2-inch dog ears. Y'all like to call them little puppy ears, you know what I'm saying? Just little puppies. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I lace my forces, and you know, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so first we're gonna start with the shoestrings. Make sure they're lined up, make sure the plate is facing up, and you have the shoestrings going from the outside inwards. We do not want to have them going from the inside outwards. Go ahead and cross your first string over. Make sure the laces are flat, and we want to go from the outside in. Make sure they're flat. If they're twisted or knotted up, make sure you straighten them out. We're just going to go one by one on each lace. Just like so. Go ahead and pull that through. See, I'm using my fingers to try to keep the string as flat and straight as possible, so they aren't getting twisted as I pull them through the holes. Gang gang. And we're gonna go ahead and do the other one. A little bit of a tedious thing here, but we gonna get it. We're gonna make it happen. And as I'm going through, you can see I'm stretching it out, just making sure that the looseness is still there, because we're going for that loose fit. Now if you get a little restless, I know this is tedious, feel free to pause the video, take a water break, go get some Chick-fil-A. I like the chicken strips. Ooh, you get those hot chicken strips with some Chick-fil-A sauce. Ooh wee! You talking about some good munching. I'm so excited that I got these Air Force Ones. I'm gonna wear them. I have a show coming up and I have a photo shoot coming up, so I plan on using these shoes for both of those events. Something to ease into the fall season. Don't forget to check out my album Dreamland as we slide these strings, these laces right on through these holes here. Check out my album Dreamland. It's streaming on all platforms. I don't know why you haven't checked it out already. The link is in the description to this video. It's really as simple as just looking at the links and clicking the right one. But hey, who am I? I'm just a guy. I'm just a guy. Now you can see when we get to this middle part here, you want to cross over the laces through the loop. So we want it to go right through there. And then still, don't forget, we're going from the outside in. So slip it through, but don't forget, and end up going from the inside out. We're going from the outside in, just like this. Yep. Go ahead and pull it through. See, it's a little twisted. Go ahead and straighten that out, and voila. And now it's time to do the other one. I just layer that one right on top of that one. Keep that same pattern flow. And if you did go get your Chick-fil-A, comment below. Let me know how it tastes. I know there's a lot of you out there who, actually paused the video and went to go get some food. So what are you eating? What are you having? Or are you just knocking it out? as we get up to the top here, same thing, we're going from the outside in. And once we get towards the end, I'm going to show you my little technique of how I do it myself. I haven't really seen anyone else really do it this way, so I do this on a lot of shoes, hoodies, multiple things. So we got it in, so I'll put my foot in so I can get that fit stretched right. And now we're going to take these strings. We got 2 holes remaining. We're still going to go from the outside in on this hole here. Boom, flatten it out, make sure that lace is straight. Voila. And then we're going to go to the other lace. Same thing, outside in. Quality and quality out. Sweetie. Now once you have your laces in, now here comes the techniques and twist and jigs. We're going to take the string, we're going to go from the inside out. This is the only lace that's going from the inside out. Right? Then we're going to do the other one the same, from the inside out. Now a lot of people, they tend to leave their shoes just like this. They leave it just like that, in out. For the last one, in and out, they just leave it hanging. But I don't like that because it tends to slide, and sometimes the lace might come back into the shoe, or it might pull out. Just it does things that I don't like. So what I like to do is I'll put a knot on the end of each one. You'll see that in a minute. Now I already have it done on my right shoe. I already did it on my right shoe. So now I'm doing it on my left shoe here, placing my knot. I usually give my lace a good 2 to 3 inches, depending on what size shoe you're wearing or your preference. Whether you just want an inch of lace hanging out, or 2 inches or 3 inches. I usually try to do a good 2 to 3 inches. As you can see, pull it back in, and boom, the knot prevents it from sliding all the way into the shoe. So this way I have permanent laces locked on the outside of the shoe, which is very convenient in my opinion. Alright, match this about 2-3 inches. Now pull that through. And some people, you could just leave it like that if you want. Look at those puppy ears. Look at those little puppy ears. Oh, little poochie. Now you can see the right one, the shoe on the left, my right foot, looks a little different at the top. And that's right here. I'll take those top 2 strings. I'm going to just tuck those behind the tongue right there. And that way, if I do want to tighten the shoe up, all I got to do is tighten all the laces up just a little bit, and I can pull and tuck that down underneath the shoe. Alright y'all, if y'all like that video, make sure y'all go ahead and smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and go ahead and subscribe too, man. I'll be dropping a whole lot of random content. This is my main channel, you know what I'm saying? Go check out Kelvin J Reacts, that's my other channel. And just stay tuned, y'all. We dropping content, we having fun. That's all it really is, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, if you like these, man, go ahead and get them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we on the block with it, don't know what you talking about. Got you leaking hard, about to be a drought. Red hat with the mega, check my mental health. Yeah, I'm doing fine, I stacked it on the shelf. I'm in the lack with the beam on them. 2A never slipping, make it steam on them. Leotards always tripping, gotta lean on them.